Free Typing Speed Test, WPM. Test your speed. Instantly. Have you ever wondered how fast you actually type? Most people think they type pretty quickly, until they take a real typing speed test. And here's the problem. Many typing test websites ask you to sign up, create an account, verify your email, or worse, pay to unlock full features. That's unnecessary. Today I'm going to show you how you can take a free typing speed test, measure your words per minute, improve your accuracy, and start typing faster, without creating any account and without paying anything. Let's get started. What is a typing speed test? A typing speed test measures three important things. First, your words per minute, also called WPM. Second, your typing accuracy. Third, your error rate. WPM tells you how many correctly typed words you complete in 1 minute. Accuracy shows how precise your typing is, and error rate tells you how often you make mistakes. If you want to improve, you must measure. Because what gets measured gets improved. Why typing speed matters. Typing faster isn't just about speed, it saves time every single day. If you are a student, you can complete assignments faster. If you are a freelancer, you can deliver projects quicker. If you are a programmer, faster typing improves productivity. If you are a content creator, your workflow becomes smoother. Even improving from 35 words per minute to 60 words per minute can cut your typing time almost in half. That's powerful. How to take the free typing speed test. Now here's the simple part. You visit the website. No sign up, no login, no hidden fees. You click Start Test. A paragraph appears on your screen. Your job is simple. Type exactly what you see. Focus on accuracy first. Don't rush. The timer runs automatically. After 1 minute, your results appear instantly. You will see your WPM score, your accuracy percentage, your total mistakes, and your progress summary. And that's it. Simple, fast, completely free. How to improve your typing speed. Now let's talk about improvement. If your score isn't where you want it to be, that's normal. Speed typing is a skill, and skills improve with practice. Here are the key methods. 1. Focus on accuracy. First, if you rush and make mistakes, your real speed drops. Train your fingers to hit the correct keys consistently. Speed comes after control. 2. Use proper finger placement. Keep your fingers on the home row keys. Left hand, ASDF right hand, JKL. This is called touch typing. Avoid the hunt and peck method where you look at the keyboard constantly. Touch typing builds muscle memory. Muscle memory builds speed. 3. Practice daily. Even 10 minutes per day can create massive improvement. Consistency beats intensity. Short daily practice sessions are more effective than long sessions once a week. 4. Maintain good posture. Sit straight. Keep your wrists relaxed. Position your screen at eye level. Good ergonomics prevent fatigue and increase typing endurance. What is a good typing speed? Beginner, 20 to 40 words per minute. Intermediate, 40 to 60 words per minute. Advanced, 60 to 80 words per minute. Professional, 80 plus words per minute. The average person types around 40 words per minute. Your goal? Beat average. Track your progress. The key to improvement is repetition and measurement. Take the test once per week. Write down your WPM. Compare results. Watch your numbers grow. Progress is motivating, and motivation builds momentum. Why use a free typing speed test? Because there's no risk. You don't need to register. You don't need to pay. You don't need to download anything. Just open the website and start typing. It works on desktop, laptop, and most modern devices. Fast, clean, simple. Final thoughts. Typing is a modern superpower. The faster and more accurately you type, the more productive you become. So here's your challenge. Go to the website, take the free typing speed test, comment your WPM score below. Then practice daily and beat your own record. Small improvements every day lead to big results. Start today. Your keyboard is waiting.